If a monitor and TV had a baby, it would look something like the M7 smart monitor. With this device, Samsung aims to bring the all-in-one solution for work and play at an affordable price of just about 400 euros. This 32-inch monitor is just loaded with features, and in this video, I picked my favorites that are actually practical and fun to use. Just before we start, a quick unboxing. The monitor ships in quite a compact box considering the size of the screen. Inside the packaging, you can find everything you need to get started, including the stand, a metal base, the cables, instruction manuals, the remote control, and the CD. Seriously, Samsung included a CD in 2021. First of all, it's a 32-inch monitor with 4K resolution screen, meaning that it boosts your productivity when you connect external devices to it. I've used the monitor with my MacBook Pro using HDMI cable, but you can also do that wirelessly using AirPlay. However, I would recommend you sticking to the wired connection for the best image quality and zero latency. Speaking of wired connections, the monitor has two HDMI 2.0 ports and USB Type-C port with a fast 65 watts charging support, meaning that I can charge my MacBook Pro. However, it does not support Thunderbolt 3, but this feature is usually reserved for more expensive monitors. There are also 3 USB 2.0 ports with one reserved for service. One of my favorite features, the M7 monitor supports Samsung's DeX wirelessly with my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, meaning that you can get your productivity tasks done without having your laptop, and you can use your phone screen as a trackpad. Connect a Bluetooth keyboard and a mouse to unleash a full desktop computer experience. A pro tip, if you find the wireless DeX a bit laggy, just switch to the wired connection and everything will be working smoothly. I also found casting from my S21 Ultra to be a pretty much seamless experience. If you are sitting on the couch, just click one button to screencast YouTube or other stuff on the monitor. Same goes with the screen mirroring. I had no issues connecting my phone to the monitor. You can do it either from the phone itself or tapping a compatible Samsung phone to the top or the side of the monitor for effortless screen mirroring. Not really necessary, yet fun to use feature. All of these connectivity options are great if you want to connect an external device to the monitor, but the M7 has a lot of built-in features, so you can use it as an independent, all-in-one productivity and entertainment center. First of all, you can remote access your Windows or Mac computer or edit Office documents thanks to the built-in Office 365 suite. It is really convenient to do that with a Bluetooth keyboard and a mouse. When it's time to relax, the M7 has a Smart Hub which has a very similar interface to the Samsung's Smart TVs. That means that you can watch Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube, Apple TV, Rakuten, and so on. You can also download the apps just like on any other Smart TV. You can also adjust quite a few settings of the monitor, including picture, sound, game, and other settings. The UI is pretty fast and smooth, and I didn't notice any lag or stutter. The remote control is comfortable to hold in the hand, and it has all of the buttons you need, including quick access to Netflix and Prime Video. There is also Bixby Voice Assistant that is actually quite fast. Here are a few examples.
Open up YouTube. Open up Netflix. Set volume to 15%.
Now let's talk about the display, design, and sound. As I've mentioned before, it's a 4K resolution panel and the overall picture quality is good considering the price of the monitor, but don't expect vividness and punchiness of Samsung's QLED TVs. Also, the viewing angles could be better and the brightness output could be higher, so this monitor won't be the best fit for sunny rooms. Still, it's a very good 4K panel for the majority of users, and you can't expect anything better for the price. If you plan on gaming, keep in mind that the refresh rate is limited to 60 Hz, but that's expected at this price point. I like relatively thin bezels and the overall aesthetics of the monitor. The device uses mostly plastic in the construction, but it doesn't look or feel cheap and the build quality is good. The monitor sits on the stand firmly and a metal base gives you a peace of mind that it won't fall off. Well, there is a bit of wobble when you move the device and you can only adjust the tilt angle, but these are the shortcomings I can live with as I usually sit in front of the monitor. The sound could have a bit more bass and depth, but overall it's pretty good for movies and TV shows. Here is a quick audio test. So who is this monitor for? I think that Samsung M7 is a great option for those who want an all-in-one solution that serves as a monitor and a productivity and entertainment center, meaning that you can work and play using just one device, which in fact is very affordable considering the overall feature set. You get a massive 32-inch 4K display, plenty of wired and wireless connectivity options, decent sound, and a built-in smart TV. It would be nice to see a bit brighter panel, and the monitor could have more adjustment options, but these shortcomings are far from a deal breaker considering the price. Therefore, I can easily recommend Samsung M7 as an affordable, all-in-one solution for those who prefer working and relaxing using just one device. What do you think about Samsung M7? Would you buy this device or would you go with another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.